Battle of Plassey. So Battle of Plassey 1757 that we are going to see now. So before seeing the Battle of Plassey, we are going to discuss some important things in the Battle of Plassey. So why it is very famous battle means it is the first major victory of the company in India. It is the first major victory of the company in India. Next, did you know how the battle got the name Plassey? Means it is because of the Palace tree. The battle got the name Plassey because it took place where the most palace tree located. So Plassey is an Anglicized pronunciation of palace. Next, reason for the battle. If there is any battle means there must be a reason behind that battle. Yes, in home also we used to do so many battles with our siblings. So reason behind the battle may be for the remote or for some junk items. So here the reason for the battle of Plassey is the company wanted the puppet ruler. The company wanted only the puppet ruler, but the Nawab of Bengal is Siraj-ud-Dawla. He is a very strong ruler. So the company decided to help the rivals of Siraj-ud-Dawla. So this is the reason. So the company is expecting the puppet ruler. So it decided to help the rivals of Siraj-ud-Dawla. This is the reason behind the battle. Next, who led the battle in the company side? Means Robert Clive. Robert Clive led the battle in the company side. Okay. Now we are going to see the Battle of Plassey. Okay. In 1756, after the death of Alivardi Khan. So in 1756, after the death of Alivardi Khan, now Siraj-ud-Dawla became the Nawab of Bengal. And this is unhappy news to the company because the company is expecting more concession from the Nawabs. Though Siraj-ud-Dawla a strong ruler, however, the company decided to help the rivals of Siraj-ud-Dawla. Now, this news infuriated the Nawab. So the Nawab got infuriated and asked the company to stop meddling in the political affairs and warned the company to stop fortification and asked the company to pay revenue. But all this negotiation failed. The negotiation is failed. So the Nawab marched with 30,000 soldiers. So the Nawab marched with 30,000 soldiers. At the Kazim Bazar, and captured the company official, locked the warehouse, disarmed all Englishmen and blockaded the English ships. Then he marched to Calcutta to establish control over the company fort. On hearing this news of the fall of the Calcutta, company officials in Madras sent force under the commander of Robert Clive. Now, Robert Clive is entering into the battle. So, the Robert Clive reinforced the naval fleets. Naval fleets is nothing but கடற்படைகள். Okay, so prolonged negotiation with the Nawab. Finally, in 1757, Robert Clive led the company army against Siraj-ud-Dawla at Plassey. So, the main reason for the defeat of the Nawab was that the force led by Mir Jafar, one of the Siraj-ud-Dawla's commander, were never fought the battle. Clive had managed to secure his support by promising to make him Nawab after crushing Siraj-ud-Dawla. Here, you have got to know that the company, that is the Robert Clive who led the battle, played a clever play. Yes, he bribed the Siraj-ud-Dawla commander Mir Jafar, and the Clive promised to give the Nawab position to the Mir Jafar after crushing the Siraj-ud-Dawla. Initially, Mir Jafar had not interested so far as somehow the Robert Clive managed to get the support from Mir Jafar. As successfully they defeated with the Mir Jafar defeated the Siraj-ud-Dawla. Yes, after the defeat of Plassey, Siraj-ud-Dawla was assassinated and Mir Jafar made the Nawab. So, as a result of the defeat of Battle of Plassey, the Siraj-ud-Dawla was assassinated and Mir Jafar made the Nawab, as Robert Clive already promised to Mir Jafar. No. So, now Mir Jafar became the Nawab of Bengal. Yes, he is a puppet ruler. Puppet ruler means, you know, the puppet show, no? How whatever the hand will do the action, the picture will show the same action, no? Like that, Mir Jafar is a puppet of the company official. So from this, you got a clear idea that though the battle was